In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a View in Browser link in Mailchimp. This is a very useful feature because it allows your subscribers to open your email in their web browser if it doesn't display properly in their inbox. Sometimes emails can look different depending on the device or email provider, so having this option ensures your audience can always see your content exactly as intended. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Mailchimp. Go ahead and log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This section contains all your email campaigns. Now you have two options. You can either create a new campaign by clicking Create Campaign, or you can edit an existing one. For this tutorial, we'll go ahead and work with an existing campaign. Click on the campaign you want to edit, then select Edit Design to open the email editor. Once you're inside the editor, think about where you want your View in Browser link to appear. The best practice is to place it at the very top of your email, so it's immediately visible to anyone who opens it. To do this, add a text block at the top of your email layout. Inside that text block, type something simple and clear, like "View this email in your browser." Next, highlight the text you just typed. This prepares it to become a clickable link. Now comes the important part. You need to use what's called a merge tag. Merge tags are special pieces of code that Mailchimp uses to generate dynamic content. Look for the Merge Tags option in the email toolbar. Click on it and search for the Archive Merge tag. Once you find it, copy it. Now, with your text still highlighted, click on the link icon in the toolbar. A field will appear where you can enter a URL. Paste the Archive Merge tag into this field. Make sure it's pasted exactly as it appears without any extra spaces or changes. Then click Insert or Apply. What this does is tell Mailchimp to automatically generate a browser version of your email when it's sent. After that, click Save and Close to apply your changes. Now your View in Browser link is active. Whenever someone opens your email and has trouble viewing it, they can simply click that link and see the full version in their web browser with proper formatting and layout. This small addition can make a big difference in user experience and ensures your message is always accessible. And that's it. Now let's quickly summarize the steps. First, log into Mailchimp and go to your campaigns. Next, open or create an email campaign and enter the design editor. Then, add a text block at the top of your email. Type your View in Browser message and highlight the text. After that, find and copy the merge tag. Insert it as a link using the link icon. Finally, save your changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical guides. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.